Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make the Automoblox Wheel using Autodesk. Alright, so let's go ahead and, as usual, start with a new part. Alright, so to make this wheel, notice in your directions here on your assignment, okay, you have 4 circles. So we're going to start with a circle, then we're going to make some concentric circles using our offset tool. Alright, so we have 4 circles we need to make. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go and start 2D sketch. Select the plane. Okay, come to our circle here. Make sure it's a circle with a center point. Okay, let's come to the center. Okay, come out. I believe it says 0.44 inches. Hit enter. All right. Now let's come to our, hit escape. Let's come to our, let's see here, offset button. Here it is. And we want to come in here, 0.05 inches. Hit enter. Okay. Now we want to come out, all right, according to your dimensions, 0.35 inches. And then we want to go out from this one, 0.05 inches. Okay, looks pretty good. All right, so now that we have these 4 circles drawn and they're fully constrained, we need to make our 3D object here. Okay, so we'll extrude it 0.57 inches. All right, and notice we want the inner one, okay, and the outer piece here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's finish our sketch. Okay, zoom in a bit. Okay, let's go to extrude. Now be careful which ones you want to click on here. So click here and then click on your outer one. All right, and our distance is 0.57. Hit enter. All right, now we need to connect this inner piece to this outer piece, and we need to make basically this part right here. All right, so to do this, okay, let's come to our file here. Let's see here. We want to start a 2D sketch, and we want to start a 2D sketch on this plane, on this surface, and on this surface. Okay, so let's click there, start a 2D sketch. There we go. All right, and now we want to project our geometry because we don't want to draw these lines again. So let's click here, and click here, and click here, and click here. And what that does is it brings our lines up to our drawing surface here. Okay, and now we can finish our sketch. All right, so looking back at our assignment now real quick, we need to extrude this inner piece 0.05 inches. Okay, but we need to use this button right here. This will move it inwards, okay, and it will also move it outwards, 0.05 inches. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Come to our extrude button. Okay, hit 0.05. Click on that surface. Okay, but we want that one because we want it to go inwards too. Okay, and we also want it to go outwards, both directions, and hit OK. All right, so now we need to start creating this face pattern here, or these spokes on your wheel. All right, so notice we're going to make a circle right here, and we're going to give it a diameter of 0.5 or a radius of 0.25. Okay, because radius is half the diameter. And then we're going to create a circular pattern. We're going to make one of these, and Autodesk will automatically, okay, fill it in here and make a circular pattern for you. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So click on this plane. Okay, let's go ahead and start a 2D sketch. So come on over to your circle tool. Click right. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Right here. Okay, and it had a radius of 0.25, but we're going to assign it a diameter of 0.5. Okay. Now, okay, come to our center point here, and we're going to make another circle out to here and it'll make sense here in a bit when we start using our trim tool. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start using our trim tool here. So click on the trim tool, click on this outer piece, okay, and then click on this outer circle we just made, because now we want this piece and this piece, all right, because this is what we need. This is the two lines we need to make our circular pattern here. So let's go up to our circular button, click on here, then click on this line, click on this line, all right, and now very important, click here, the axis button. We want this piece to rotate around this center axis, so we're going to click right here in this center piece. And we don't want 6 of them, we want 5 of them, and hit OK. All right, let's go ahead and finish sketch. All right, now we need to extrude these pieces in here, so let's go ahead and hit extrude. Okay, hit there, hit there, hit there, hit there, and click on there. And we don't want it to go out, we want it to go in. So we're going to change the direction here, and our distance is right. We want 0.05. Last thing, let's assign it a material here. And let's go with ABS plastic here. All right, gives it kind of that plastic shiny sheen here. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.